We have this adorable bow ornament here that we are going to paint together. So get your supplies and we'll get started. Got our little altered ornaments. Kind of going every other one because we're going to fill the rest of that in with gold. And you can look at my example to see where those gold accents, where I put those in, or you can just make your own just using this water brush. With the fine tip here. And this is gold, so I'm going to go around this. And it can be kind of loose. So we're kind of making that up, so no one will know the difference, but if you're following along, I'm trying to get it so that it looks the same as your example. I've got one I'm looking at that I already painted. You can see I'm just really loosely going along. You can change your colors to be whatever you want. This was a pink bow ornament that I thought was so cute, so I just sketched a picture of the ornament so I could paint it. And it has gold, and then this set I sell is the Pastel Dreams. And you can buy that on my website or use your own. If you have any of my other sets, Sunset works well in tropicals. If it's watered down enough, it'll look like a light pink. There's Pinky that's in the classic set, or if you've got that as an extra. And then Foxberry is in the woodland set, and if you really, really water that down, it can be kind of a nice pink. It's maybe a little more muted than this one, but it is still a workable pink for these, and you can obviously make these any color that you want. You can see I've got my setup here of the winter kind of pinky things with my desk here set up with fun girly stuff. I have 4 sons, so it is extra fun for me to have a few girly things around. And these are those fun ornaments that have all the glitter on them, and they're 3-dimensional. So we've got the basics of our bow here. We'll let that set up and dry. And then this had kind of a gold top to this ornament, and then I want to put like a gold glitter on it. So I'm using a yellow and a little bit of brown to make it look like gold. Now I'm just going to kind of put a few little dots along here to make it look like the chain is reflecting. I think that's the easiest way to do that. And I went out of the lines there, but you can either dab that with a paper towel and get rid of it. You usually want to wait to redraw where you were at. So we're waiting for this to dry so it doesn't get everywhere. Trying to see where it's most wet. And I'm going to try to see, for the sake of time here on the video, if I can just lay in a little bit of this gold. I didn't probably make enough. And I'll have to figure out how I did that. All right, so that looks nice. So simple. So now we've just kind of laid that out with the gold and the pink together. And I may want to come along here and just add a little bit more. Oh my goodness, I need more water. And this ornament itself was definitely three-dimensional, so. And then we'll just add some glitter to that and finish it up. So we're going to add gold to our bow. We've got this yellow underneath so that it will stand out a lot more. This was like a painted gold on the ornament. It wasn't an exact glitter, it was just like gold paint. Some of the ornaments have more of a glitter on them. And you can see how it helps that I've got that yellow underneath instead of the white of the paper, because then the metallic would sort of be a little bit see-through, transparent. Okay. And now we have metallic there. Oh, and if you want to put a little bit of pearl just to kind of make the ornament show as sparkly, that will add a nice little touch. So when the light hits it, it will reflect.